guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Happy 2021. If it's your first video you're watching me of 2021. Where have you been? What have you been doing? Let me know. I've got an unboxing for you. I've got loads of unboxings today. I'm just trying to get them all done because Ben is off work this afternoon. It's Birchbox, by the way. Otherwise I just don't ever get a chance to film apart from in the evenings. It's too freaking dark in the evenings. I need a ring light. If anyone can recommend a ring light, put it in the comments down below. Ignore this. I've been unboxing and then there's washing, and I've got 3 children and it's lockdown and I don't care. So Birchbox, if you don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. And I can't remember how much it is. I bought a subscription for like 6 months and it was like, it worked out being like 35 quid or something. I think it's about £12.95, £13 a month. And I always used to get it, and then I cancelled it because I was like, fuck this shit, you're just getting loads and loads of samples, like teeny tiny samples compared to the other boxes. And then I saw this really good deal and I was like, I'll get it for the deal because sometimes you might get a good one. And we have had a couple of good ones, I'm not going to lie. So I'm hopeful for this one, see if their first one of 2021 can forge a path for the future of Birchbox this year. I don't know what I'm talking about. Rethink your routine, trust the magic of a fresh start. There we go. Birchbox is even telling us to trust the magic and have a fresh start. So this is the box. Sometimes it's a drawer, but today it's a box. I don't like the colour scheme. It's just very meh. I prefer them when they're a bit prettier. Okay. Oh, I've seen something I really like. Oh, something smells amazing. Something in there smells so good. So we want to see your January Birchbox. Upload a picture, blah, 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 blah. Have I got a discount code? Have I got a discount code? I don't know. If I have, I'll put it on the screen. I don't get this. None of this is PR. I pay for these myself. Let's have a look. Hello, Birchboxers. Hello, 2021. New year, new routine. In 2021, we're more committed than ever to bringing you new and exciting ways to enjoy a little me time. Discovering new beauty from the latest brands to top tips just got even more fun. This month's Birchbox is all about revamping your beauty routine. The first step, open up your Birchbox and discover your New Year's beauty resolution. So, the first thing I've got is Marcel. I don't know if anything, I need to find, I'm cruelty free, so I'll have to find out if any of this is cruelty free. I'll put it on the screen so then you guys can just, you can know. You can know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Marcel Hydrating Mask. £17.50, but I assume that is for the full size again because look at the tiny Birchbox. This is 10ml. I feel like this is what makes me cross about Birchbox. I feel like if there was a Marcel beauty counter, you could go up to them and say, can I get a sample of that? And they go, here you go. And they just let you have it. That's what annoys me. It says this refreshing crystalline gel mask deeply hydrates and renews skin thanks to its blend of hyaluronic acid, which serves as a moisture magnet, and Pacific seaweed. Skin is left smooth, refreshed and illuminated. Marcel has been in business for 145 years. That sounds amazing. I hope it's cruelty free and then I can use it. It's hypoallergenic and free from fragrance, but it doesn't say if it's cruelty free. It's not sealed anyway. There's no little seal on it. But we'll have a look and see. Next I'm drawn to this, it's Amica. And this is a reset exfoliating jelly shampoo. That sounds amazing. This is cruelty free. Look at this packaging. How gorgeous is that? I'd have that print as like a wallpaper. I love it. Okay. 20 quid again for a full size. This is 20ml. So this will wash your hair once. Yeah. This probably won't even do my whole hair. Time to hit reset on your hair. Whether you're feeling oily, itchy or sensitive, the innovative jelly shampoo uses charcoal, pink clay and sea salt to clean, deep clean, purify, rebalance and soothe your scalp. Feel instantly refreshed. Oh, all of Amica's products are cruelty free, so that's nice. This one is sealed. Let's have a little, I want to see what a jelly shampoo looks like. I don't want to waste it though. Just looks like shampoo. Smells good. But it does just look like shampoo. I think maybe if you squeeze it all out, you might be able to tell that it's a jelly, but it just looks like shampoo. But that's nice. We've got Lise Waiter, Wautier, I can't pronounce that. £42 again for a full size. This is 7ml. This is an Illuminating Primer Luminous Fresh Cream Gel. When it comes to looking radiant, you can't go past an illuminating primer. This cream gel primer with a delicate pearlescent finish gives a soft radiant glow whether you use it before foundation as a base or after as a highlighter. Plus the universal shade suits all complexions. Mix it directly with foundation, concealer or day cream for a natural radiant look. Sounds lovely. Oh, that's been squeezed. That's all in the lid, look. What's that about? Like, that's, you can see it on the thing. Someone's like tried to wipe that. Ew. Gross. Next is This Works, and this is a 10ml teeny tiny sample again, £37 for a full size. It just, I don't get it. Like, it's the same price as Glossybox. It like makes no sense why they just send tiny samples. Like, I don't get it. Like, I don't know. Someone can explain to me, other than the fact that Birchbox want to make more money, maybe. I don't know. The Youth Boosting Serum is formulated to target tired looking skin, packed with plumping powers of hyaluronic acid and brightening vitamin C. It'll brighten, firm, tighten and smooth your complexion in no time. All of This Works products are 100% cruelty free, so that's good as well, but it is a teeny tiny one. And then the last thing in here is Dr. Botanicals. Alright, everything's just trying to fall over. This is what I can smell. It smells so good. A strawberry and poppy seed cleansing bar. That smells amazing. Can you see the poppy seeds in there? This is £9.90. Cruelty free, vegan, all the good stuff. Perfect your weekly exfoliation session. This is more than your average bar of soap. Formulated with 98% natural ingredients like exfoliating black poppy seeds and revitalizing strawberry. This small but mighty bar will cleanse and exfoliate your skin all over your body, restoring your natural glow. That sounds amazing. I really like the sound of that. Let me get it out and have a proper little look. Get out of the packaging. Get out. It smells so good. It is reminiscent of strawberry things from the Body Shop. That's what it smells like. It reminds me of like being 15 and getting all the strawberry stuff in the Body Shop and smelling it. That smells amazing. I'm very excited to use that. So, fair enough. The box is like 12 quid and this is a tenner. So it's worth the money. But like, these are just tiny. Like, that's one shampoo, if that. If you've got hair longer than mine, you're going to need like 6 of these. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how much longer is left on my subscription. I'll have a look. Do you guys think I should carry on getting this, or shall I sack it off and try something else? Let me know what you think. But yeah, that was Birchbox for January 2021. I've got a Glossybox giveaway running at the moment. I'll link that somewhere for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.